In this video, we are going to see how we can develop an awesome check printing system that can print automatically unlimited checks directly from Excel into the Word template, and we will combine both of these applications using the mail merge feature. So if you want to follow along, you can find this file in the resources section of this video and a couple of more files like the check writer and this spell number VBA code. So just download all of these files so that you can follow along as well. And we have taken an example of different employees with different payroll accounts and brokerage accounts, contractor accounts. So these are their monthly salary in US dollars. Now, if you want to print all of these details on a check printer is simply a template based on which we print unlimited number of checks on their specific locations. Now here, just notice that every bank has different settings. Some of the banks might have the date field here, or name might appear at a different place. So we have to adjust accordingly. What you will do is just take the blank photocopies of a check and then try to adjust the fields by watching the check physically, and then try different settings like placing a little bit here and then trying to print it. And once it is set, you can set the check writer according to the certain bank. So for example, after adjusting a little bit, it's adjusted according to the Standard Chartered Bank template. So what we will do is just go to the save as, and we can save it anywhere we want. And the check writer should be of Standard Chartered Bank, SCB. Click OK, and this is how you can save it. But as far as this check template is concerned, we must have all of this information that can be printed directly onto the checks. We have date, name, total amount, and amount in words. But here we have the name, we have the amount, but we don't have two fields. One, we don't have date, and two, we don't have amount in words. So date is very simple. Let's say that we are paying all of these salaries on 30th of July. Double click to send it down, and we can click on this fill series option and click on copy cells to make all the dates same. After that, if you want to paste a specific format onto this column as well, just hold this specific column, go to the home tab, click on format painter, and just paste it directly onto the column. But after pasting, we might notice a little change in the date format because it has followed the text format or general format now from the parallel column. So what we can do is just select the column, go to the home tab and change it to the short date. So that's done. And if you want to decrease the decimal places, just hold the complete column, go to the home tab and decrease the decimal places like this. Let's select only the numbers so that we can easily remove that. So all done. But one thing still needs to be mentioned in the database, that is amount in words. So we need amount in words. Now, if we try to mention each amount in words manually, it will take a lot of time, and there is no purpose of automation here if we have to write all of the amount in words manually. So we must have any kind of formula that can spell this number for us. But by default, there is no formula in here. Even in the latest version, you don't have anything like spell number or something. But if we want to insert any kind of new formula in Excel, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is just go to the developer tab and enable that function, and we can easily insert a formula from there. But if you don't have the developer tab, that's very simple to enable. Let's say that we are in any menu like formulas, page layout. Whenever you see this white space in any of the menu, right click here, click on customize ribbon, and you will see a developer tab on your right. You just need to enable this. It will be disabled like that. You just need to enable this and click OK. And then we will have a developer tab. Now, after the developer tab is enabled, you just go to the developer tab, click on Visual Basic, and we insert a new module directly. In here, we just have to paste a code that will execute that formula of spell number. So here is the code. You just copy this, paste it in here, close this, close out of Visual Basic, and now if we try to write this formula, which is equals to spell number, we have a new formula here. Just choose that, press tab and select this amount, hit enter. And it has fully converted this amount into words according to the check. You can see 5,200 dirhams only. Just double click to send it down and you have this converted for all of the figures. The problem is only one. This format is only according to the dirhams. What if we want to convert it into dollars? It's very simple. Just go to the developer tab, locate that in the Visual Basic. We have this new module inserted on our left. Just double click here. Just select all of this or just simply press Ctrl F. We will use a simple find and replace option. Go to the replace function and we will write dirhams, replace with what? Dollars, replace all, 11 replacements are made. And then we convert dirham to dollar, replace all, 2 replacements are made. Now the dirhams smaller currency is fils. So fils should be converted to cents, replace all, 10 replacements are made. And we have this fil which should be converted to cent, replace all, 1 replacement is made. Now this is fully adjusted according to the new currency, which is US dollars. All you have to do is just double click to send it down again. And we have this converted into dollars. If you notice additional double spaces, we can adjust that as well. Even though we are not familiar with the code, what we can simply do is with dollars, we have this little extra space. So just reduce that space, close, double click to send it down again. And we have this extra space eliminated. Now we just paste it in the same format. Go to the home tab, format painter, paste it on the other column. So now this is fully converted according to the check. We have all the contents of the check here. Just you need to keep one thing in mind. If you use developer tab and add an additional formula in Excel, that will only work if you save it as a macro enabled workbook. Otherwise, it will be disabled next time. So just remember that whenever you use any developer functions, you have to click on file, click on save as, go to the location and click on save as type as macro enabled workbook, click on save and we are done. So this is how we can adjust all of our data according to the checks. And finally, we will link Microsoft Word with Excel using the mail merge feature and we will print the unlimited checks in one click. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.